outcome-driven innovation and organization innovation. So yung outcome-driven innovation, yun yung suggestion ng mga customers na ginagamit as input to improve service. So ito yung kapatid ng service innovation at saka product innovation. So yun yung kapatid nun kasi yung input o suggestion ng customers is ginagamit as input dun sa innovation na yun. And then yung organization innovation, yun naman ay ang new ways on how to manage people and share resources. Ways on how people shared and manage resources. So yun yung natutunan natin bago ngayon. So maganda at may natutunan tayong bago ngayon. Innovation, pwedeng business, pwedeng IT, vlog. So lagay na lang natin sa ganun. So yun lang po.